Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everyone thinks that planting trees and plants is an easy task, and anyone with a troll, looper, and feeder can easily do it. But only gardeners and the peoples who do gardening knows the effort and energy that gardening needs. Besides, only water is not enough for plants. They also need manure. Also, they need daily care in order to keep them healthy and fresh. Moreover, most of the plants are green, which means they need proper sunlight. Many people hire professional gardeners for taking care of their garden, and but doing it on our own is more pleasurable. Also, it helps us to connect with the garden, and most of the plants and trees that are in my garden are either planted by me or my family member. We go to the nursery to buy seasonal plants every season, and most of the flowering plants are replaced every season as they die due to climate change. After buying them, we plant these saplings or plants in a strategical order so that garden looks more colorful. To conclude, we can say that gardening is a very good and productive habit. Also, it helps a person to establish a connection with the greenery and love towards nature. Besides, for most of the people, the best memories of childhood are attached to the